What's up guys, my name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god. My mouth is salivating from all the fucking sugar. Anyways, so in today's tutorial, I'm pretty much doing a frostbite on my face and on my fingers, as you guys can see. I honestly got inspired because it's winter. So it's getting cold, although I'm in California, so there's no snow. So I was like, hey, why not do like a tutorial on frostbite? So this is what I did to achieve this look, and obviously, let's get started. Okay, so those are the pictures I'm using as a reference to figure out how I'm gonna do this fucking look. Okay, so my hair, I don't know if you can see it, this is like curly hair from yesterday. This makeup was from this morning. I haven't taken it off. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some liquid latex. I'm gonna be using this spatula looking thing right here. BenNye clear liquid latex. And according to these pictures, okay, I'm gonna put it on my nose. Just put like a thin layer because we're gonna have to let it dry and then reapply, let it dry, and then apply again. So I'm gonna put it on my nose because from what I have been reading is that your nose is the first thing to get cold the fastest, and then our cheeks get dried up as well. And then you can go ahead and make them as big, round, square, any kind of shape that you want, because obviously this is a wound and wounds are never perfect. So as you can see, this one I'm doing like a little dash. You can see this one's going more horizontal and this one's going a little vertical. And fuck it, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on my chin as well. And then now we have to wait for this shit to fucking dry. It would be helpful if you have a fan or a blow dryer or something to help you fucking make the process of it drying faster. A little bit dry. I'm gonna go ahead and reapply some more right on top of each one. And I'm gonna do this probably, and then we're gonna get to the fun part. We need a nice good layer for when we start actually pulling apart the latex. We want like some 3D-ness going on, so we need to add some more product. So like I said, I added 2 more layers off camera. Now we're gonna just grab some tweezers and a fucking close-up mirror. So like I said, I have my tweezers, and now I'm just gonna be picking holes on the latex, just making little holes. So on each of these, I'm gonna make multiple holes. So it's just up to you, honestly, how many holes you want. Like I said, it doesn't really matter, just because wounds are never perfect. So in this one, I made 2 so far, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do little swirls inside just to open up the circle a little more. So it's kind of lifting right here. I think it should look okay. It's gonna probably give it some more individualism on that particular frostbite. Center of the nose, that's where I want to have like the biggest hole, because like I mentioned earlier, your nose is what gets cold the fastest. If you guys don't have liquid latex, another good product to use is Elmer's glue, you know, like the glue that you use in like in middle school and shit. That actually dries up a lot faster compared to liquid latex. So this one's giving me a hard time, so I'm just gonna grab some scissors, cut it. And now using my tweezers, I'm gonna go inside and just make the hole bigger. Just kind of stretching out the liquid latex and moving it around. This doesn't hurt at all, but you guys really need to be careful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some foundation. The foundation I'm gonna be using is a Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 220, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a Real Techniques stippling brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and color all the goo up. Just kidding, I'm gonna color in all the liquid latex. So I went ahead and lowered my light because I felt like my light was making me look really, really shiny. And that's definitely not the case. And we're gonna go ahead and set that using the HD finishing powder and my G2 Morphe brush. Just so that it takes away all the shine, honey. So now we're gonna go ahead and add some red. This is for like the irritation of it. So mainly they put it around the nose, around the wound, around the wound. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger, the Mehron color wheel, and it's the Bruise color wheel, and the color I'm using is a Bloody Rose, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that around the wounds. It may look a little red in the beginning, but obviously it's gonna blend out really nice. Now I'm gonna go around my nose. Of course, everyone knows when you get cold, your nose gets really red. We want to make sure our nose looks like fucking Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And then now that I'm looking at this reference picture, I want to go ahead and add a little bit on my lips so I can make them look really chappy. Blending Bloody Red around my cheeks or my open wounds. Okay, so this is a little trick that I didn't mean to do, but it's happening. I'm gonna squish my lips together, and it gives them like a little weird indent, see? And then when you spread them out, kind of adds a little like chappy lip effect. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more liquid latex, and then I'm gonna do it again. And as that's drying, I'm gonna go ahead and continue blending Bloody Rose. Okay, and then once again, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of smush my lips together so it makes my lips have like a little more chappy effectness. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of red onto my lips. If you guys hear the background music, my neighbors are having like a huge party. They've been having a party since Friday, and it's fucking Sunday right now, so it's like whatever. I'm letting them have their week. Now I'm gonna grab Carbon by MAC Cosmetics. I'm gonna use my finger again. I'm pretty much gonna apply this on the outside of the holes, if that makes sense, if that makes any sense. So I have the inside of my holes, and I want to apply it on the flaps of my holes. You guys can go ahead and use a small precise brush. And pretty much what this is doing, it's supposed to be your dead skin from like the frostbite, because these wounds are a little smaller. It's getting a little difficult. So this is actually this is my Morphe M250 brush. This is a liner brush, and I'm just gonna pretty much, like I said, dusting this on the flaps of the skin or the latex. And then remember the flap that I said I had right here? Well, now I'm gonna just dust black on that too. I'm gonna dust it underneath and then right on top as well. If you get the black inside, it's totally okay, because I know that's what I've been doing, just to make sure that I'm painting the flaps right. Just remember, these wounds are not gonna be perfect, like I've been saying. Like, it's a fucking frostbite. Come on, guys. So then I'm gonna grab a little bit more of Bloody Rose from the Mehron Bruise palette, and I'm just gonna blend the black with the red. That way it looks blendable. I also put some on my lips too. And literally, I'm just like tapping it and then applying it randomly and blending it with the black. So now that all this shit is like coming together, I need to make my eyes a little irritated. So using the same using the same Mehron Bruise palette, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that underneath my eyes, and then on top, and just blending that. Just like that, just so like my eyes look a little irritated. I'm gonna grab a little bit of my foundation as well, apply on another finger. I'm just gonna pack a little bit on, and then with my other finger, I'm gonna blend it in with the red. That way it doesn't look like the same redness going on with this wound. So you see my foundation and then the red. I'm gonna apply that right there. And then now I'm applying the red. So now I'm picking up Fresh Scabs from BenNye. Oh my god, open. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and use the other end of my spatula, and I'm gonna apply this into the actual holes of my wounds, or of my fucking frostbite, just to give it more like a 3D effect. These two look like gunshot wounds. Okay, so now that looks like it's almost done. I'm gonna grab some Spirit Gum by Mehron, and then I just cleaned out my spatula, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some of this Spirit Gum. It's like glue, and I'm gonna apply that on my eyebrows, like that. And this is okay to put on your eyebrows. This is why I'm using it, because if I use liquid latex, that shit will fucking hurt. Okay, so I'm gonna do one eyebrow at a time, and I'm gonna get some Splenda. This is sugar, and I'm just gonna get a little bit on my finger and apply that onto my brows to give it a nice winter snow effect. anywhere where water comes out from your body, which is anywhere you have hair, so your eyebrows, underneath your nose, your mouth, that would be perfect to add this Splenda Frostbite fucking ice whatever. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that underneath my nose, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some in the middle of my lips. Dab the glue around the wounds. Oh shit. And then I'm gonna add some sugar, Splenda, around the frostbite. I'm gonna grab my NYX Jumbo white liner, and I'm gonna apply that on my waterline, and now I'm gonna blend that. And now I'm gonna grab my NYX white liquid liner. Now I'm just gonna make little small strokes and just apply that on my lashes. Now I'm gonna put on my onesie from JCPenney. To make it look like I was in the snow. Put my hair down, and this wonderful onesie comes with a hoodie. Okay, now we're gonna do my hands. Now for my fingers, I'm just gonna do one hand. I'm gonna be using the Paradise Makeup Paint by Mehron. And these ones, you're gonna have to add a little bit of water. And I don't know where I got this paintbrush at. It doesn't even have a name. Craft Smart. I actually got it. Now that I remember, I actually got it at Michael's. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and paint my fingers like these, and then you're gonna have these suckers dry the fuck up. See, now they're all nice and black. We're gonna go ahead and add some liquid latex on them. So using the same BenNye liquid latex and the same goddamn spatula, I'm gonna apply the liquid latex on my fingers like these, and then we're gonna let that sucker dry. And now we're just gonna wave our hands and we just don't care, Okay, and then while we let that dry, we're gonna go back using our color bruise wheel, and we're gonna use the red, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of paint the red underneath. So this is like where the irritation's at. The black is pretty much the dead skin. And don't worry if you put too much red, because we have to go back with the black because we have to paint the liquid latex, but we obviously want to paint it when the liquid latex is dry. So that's what it's gonna look like right now. So now that it is dry, we just have to paint it black again, getting all the whiteness from the liquid latex out. So as you guys can see, it's all black now. And while we're gonna wait that to dry, we're gonna go ahead and use a white paint. White water-based paint, come on. And we're gonna add a little bit of water. Go ahead and grab a little bit with my finger, and I'm just gonna paint the nails white. According to my reference picture, all their nails are white, just pretty much the nail's dead. So there, my nails are white. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab the tweezers, and we're just gonna make some holes, giving our fingers some dead skin effectiveness. So I don't know if you guys can tell how the skin looks like it's peeling off. And this is pretty much it on the Frostbite tutorial. If you guys like it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. If you guys really do like this video, let me know so maybe I can continue making these like videos for you guys, because it's different, like, you know, and I actually kind of like doing these videos too, so I might do it even if you guys don't comment. I just like leaving my hand up here so you guys can see it, like blah 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 blah. Anyways, if you guys aren't following me on my other social media, make sure you guys go do that. That way we can be friends and we can follow each other. And other than that, that's it. I need to fucking take a shower because this shit's fucking... My face is starting to feel like I got Botox, even though I never had Botox. Bye, guys.